Woo! Oh, that almost fell. What's up, you guys? It's Adrienne. Welcome back to my channel. Why am I sitting on a jacket? I'm in Seattle right now, as you can tell. If you guys didn't know, I'm from Seattle. I'm visiting my family, so I'm in my mom's house at the moment, and I really wanted to film a get ready with me video, but I also wanted to film a juicy Q&A because I've wanted to do one of those for a while. So I decided to kind of combine the juicy Q&A. Literally? Who has the audacity to be texting me when I'm filming? Oh, it's Lauren. So I'm gonna be doing a juicy Q&A. I haven't looked at any of your questions yet, so I'm literally gonna be pulling this up live. I told you to make them juicy because we love a good juicy story time, right? So I'm gonna be getting ready, putting some makeup on. We're just gonna get right into it. I also wanna thank IPSY for sponsoring this video. Basically, if you guys didn't know, you can get IPSY products, 5 new products to try every single month in a cute little bag like this for just $10 a month. So it's like a subscription service and you get a really cute little bag. I think I already said that. And it's free shipping, and yeah, you just get to try out products that are worth already way more than $10. So the first product, and I don't wanna butcher any of the pronunciation. They gave me a pronunciation guide and I'm horrible at reading those. Like, even the pronunciation guides, does anyone else relate? No? Okay. First, I'm gonna use the Ahava Time to Clear Facial Mud Exfoliator. And this is perfect because I packed in 5 seconds and totally forgot to bring any face wash. I'm gonna wash off all the crustiness that's on my face using this. Okay, I'm gonna take you along. Let's go. All right, welcome to the worst lighting on earth, but here we go. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, this feels good. It's supposed to clarify and even my complexion, which I really need right now. It's gently exfoliating. Okay, wow, that actually felt really, really, really good. On a scale of 1 to 10, how hard was it to do the slime video between you and Nicole? It was a 1. If you guys didn't see this video, I'll link it down below. It was so much fun. I mean, slime was like not easy for me to make because I just... So the next product we have is this Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. I love Clinique. So this is a lightweight water jelly that delivers hydration, repair, and pollution protection. It helps strengthen the skin's texture. Whoa, it feels, oh my gosh. Oh, I love trying new products because then it makes me want to buy them, which I don't like that part, but it makes me realize how good certain products are. Okay, the next question. How many boyfriends have you had? That's a good question. I don't want to say a lot because that makes me sound, ooh. That came out really fast. It makes me sound, you know, some type of way. I used to be like a huge relationship person. So I just went from relationship to relationship all through high school and like some of college. And then after college, I was single for like a year and it was the best year of my freaking life because I found myself, okay? Like I found myself. I dated this one guy in high school, another guy in high school, another guy in high school. Then I dated my college boyfriend. Then I got back together with one of my high school boyfriends, but same person. And then I dated another boyfriend. So 6, like that's kind of a lot, but I'm also in my mid-20s, so maybe it's not, I don't know. What's the tea? You tell me, I'm not sure. How would you explain your childhood? Honestly, I had like the best childhood ever. I wouldn't trade it for anything. My parents were so cool. They know everything about everything. They're psychologists. Oh my God, look at the difference. I would describe it as like chill. I didn't really do chores, but I didn't make allowance. Oh, this looks scary, but whatever. Basically, I would describe my childhood as lit. I have a spray tan on, so like none of my foundation or concealer is the right shade. At least my under eye bags are designer. This is funny going through these. Do you like Seattle or LA better? I can't even answer that question. I like both. I like them for very different reasons. I like LA because the weather's warm, all my friends are there. I get to do what I love there, like the film industry and entertainment is all there and that's what I like. But Seattle's beautiful. It's just like the weather sucks, you know? But I really like Seattle and I come back here a lot, as you guys know. Yeah, I'd have to say it's pretty much an equal tie. Outer life, what if I just left it on like this all day? I'm so hot. Should I FaceTime all my ex-boyfriends like this? I'm gonna do a video calling all my ex-boyfriends. It's gonna be lit and they're gonna be like, so the next product is from Pop Beauty. It is this Peak Performance Brow in Natural Brunette. So I'm gonna use that to do my eyebrows. This is basically an automatic brow pencil. I love these. It has that slanted tip for like precision application, which I also love. And it stays on like very a lot. One of my favorite phrases is when moms are like, I gotta go put my face on. And I'm like, where's your face? I see your face. Bad joke. The next question is, are you a Christian? The answer is no. I am no religion. Kind of celebrated some of the holidays. I would say more than anything, I'm just like spiritual. You know, I'm very in touch with like positivity and mindset, manifestation, and that kind of stuff. Oh, look at my brows. I don't want to put my hair up. No, I don't. A lot of you guys are asking, sex questions, which, I mean, I did tell you to give me juicy questions. When did you lose your virginity and do you regret it? Oh my God, I've never talked about anything this personal on my channel, literally ever. This is weird. I'm not gonna tell you like the age. I don't regret it because it was with a guy I was dating and in love with, and that was it. There was really nothing much to the story besides we were dating, and that's what I did, and it was lovely. Next question, are you still with your boyfriend? All right, you guys wanna know the tea? I know you wanna know the tea because you've been asking about the tea, so I'm gonna give you the tea because you deserve the tea. If you guys didn't know, I was in a long distance relationship for about 1.5 years almost with a lovely man. We are no longer dating. I haven't like officially said that. I didn't really feel like I needed to. All I can really say is like literally I have no hard feelings. He has no hard feelings. We totally love each other. We respect each other. We had a really good relationship. The long distance was hard, but it was definitely worth it. But I think like ultimately it just got to a point where we're getting older and we need to kind of start thinking about like our long-term futures. And we kind of just realized that he and I had too many fundamental differences that we didn't know if we could like work out in our lives. Things like religion and political views and just things that like you wish more than anything that you could ignore, but you just can't. And it kind of sucks. Like honestly, I was really sad because I didn't want to break up. I also knew that it just wouldn't work. Like I knew that long term there would be a lot of issues because of just things that we don't agree on and things that we just have different opinions on, and it's totally okay to have different opinions. I just think that there are certain things that are very important to have the same opinion on, or at least very similar values and opinions. So this is like literally no hate to him. I love and respect him so much. I think he's an absolutely great person. We have such a good time together. In order for us to continue our relationship, one of us would have needed to like move cities, and we just kind of got to a point where we realized that wasn't in our future and that it just wasn't gonna work. And so that's the tea there. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Spilling the Tea with Adrienne. Next question. Okay, I've gotten a lot of questions about my first kiss. One says, tell us your first kiss story. One says, what age did you make out for the first time? 9th grade was the first time I made out with a guy. LOL. No, I was like one of those girls, legitimately, you guys, who, and all my friends who are watching this are probably like, this is such a lie, but it's not. I swear. I was like so grossed out by guys. Like I had crushes on guys, but I was like, oh my God, I don't want to kiss a guy. I don't want to touch them. I don't want to see them naked. Until I was like 16, I was like, ugh. And I truly was just like not about it. Like my mind was, but then like actually thinking about doing it, I was like, no. My first makeout was at a movie theater. Really classy teenage action going on. I brought a friend because I was so nervous to be alone. So my poor friend Michaela, shout out to you Michaela, was just like in the seat next to me, just having to watch us make out literally 4 hours. Like my mouth hurt after that. It was good, it was great. How is living with Morgan and Janine? Do you have a fave roommate? How dare you ask me that? No, I'm just kidding. Oh my God, living with them is literally amazing. I love it. I love that we all do the same career. So like we're at home and I'm not lonely, but we all have our own lives and we have to like get our own stuff done. So we're not like at each other's throats 24/7. And no, dude, I'm not gonna pick favorites. I've known Morgan for longer and I've spent more time with her, mostly because she has spent a couple summers living here in LA and I've lived here forever. But Janine lived in Dallas, so I didn't get to see her as often. But I really, really love living with both of them. They're both like so nice and fun. I think we have a really good roommate situation going on. I'm very happy. Yes, give me that highlight. Oh, hello, I can like shatter a glass with this highlight. Is that a thing people say? I don't think that's a thing people say. All right, shut up, Adrienne. Is water wet? What do you like in a man? Okay. Why am I getting like sweaty right now? All right, okay. Whew, it's hot in here. I have pretty fine-tuned now like what I want. There are certain qualities I want, and then other than the qualities, it's kind of like you just know when you meet a person that like works, you just kind of know. Number one is intelligence. I have just realized over time how much I value someone being smart. I don't need someone to be like a freaking genius, but I am very intellectually curious. So I want to be like talking about things in the world. And it's not like I go, you know, read the news every day and memorize 10 facts about what's going on in the world. It's just like I want to be able to have discussions with them and like open conversations where we express our opinions on different things in the world and in life. And just that's something that I enjoy. So it's really important to me that my boyfriend is smart. Hold on, pause that question so I can tell you about the next product in the IPSY bag. So this is the Beauty for Real Eyeline 24/7 eyeliner in Whiskey. I haven't been wearing a lot of eyeliner recently. I'm just gonna do it a little bit. Oh, it's pretty. Oops, wow, I suck. Okay, there we go. So this is a waterproof gel eyeliner pencil and it's intensely pigmented, as I can see by like the instant I put it on. It was like bam. Oh my God, there's a bunny outside. Oh my God, there's a bunny. Oh, no, it hopped away. Okay, sorry. Back to the eyeliner. So it's good for sensitive eyes. You can also like make it a line like I'm doing now, like a precision line, or you can smudge it. I'm living for this right now. It's kind of like a glimmery brown, a metallic-y, whatever. There's a little bit of glitter, shine, whatever. You know what I'm saying. Back to qualities I like in men's. The ability to communicate and be honest. I think honesty is my #1 thing, and like communication. I want a guy that doesn't play games, but is just willing to like sit me down and be like, hey, can we talk about this? That's what I want, because life is just so much easier when you know that the person's willing to communicate about anything to you. And then there are just no games, and it's amazing. First of all, I'm a lot, okay? I'm a lot. I'm a big personality. I talk a lot, whatever. I want someone who like embraces that and likes that about me versus like thinks it's annoying. You know what I mean? Because like some people do think it's annoying. I talk a lot. I mean, there's a reason I have a YouTube channel, because I'm just like blah, 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 all day long. And so I want someone who is equally on my level in terms of just like has a sense of humor, like is energetic and bubbly and wants to laugh with me and wants to laugh at me, because that's all fine and fun and dandy. So yeah, and also like of course being attractive is amazing and definitely a bonus, but I'm like way more attracted to personality, and then that makes them physically attractive to me. I think physically attracting is not even on the top of my priority list. It really isn't. That shit gets old, but your personality stays forever. What was your worst experience with a guy you dated? Probably that I dated this guy in high school, and he was hooking up with his ex-girlfriend the entire time we were dating, and I had no idea until the end. Literally, this girl and I like called each other up and figured it out, and we legitimately like put on all black, got in her car, and did a legitimate stakeout from like a movie. We didn't tell him that we knew, we didn't tell him we were together. We met up, I got in the trunk of the car, she went to his house and knocked on the door. He was gonna get in the car, and then I was gonna be like, surprise, from the back seat, and he obviously shit himself. I mean, can you imagine? So anyway, we didn't get the stakeout of our dreams because he caught wind that we were together and like fled the country. No, he didn't flee the country, but he like went somewhere. I don't know. I honestly don't even know. It's just the weirdest thing. It's for sure the worst thing that's happened. Who do you ship the most on YouTube? I ship like Emma Chamberlain and one of the Dolan twins. Like I legitimately just like live for the tea. Live for it. All right, last but not least, my little IPSY product. Let me, if I can even get the wrapping off. Ooh, I like this already, and I don't even know the color. This is Mellow Cosmetics Creamy Matte Lipstick in Candy Floss. Okay. This is supposed to be a, oh my, I didn't expect that. That's so funny. I just didn't expect it to be pink. It glides on smoothly, leaving a velvety smooth finish. Oh my God. I'm living for this lipstick right now. Loving it. So yeah, one of my biggest issues with lipstick is when it's like super drying. This is not, and I'm living for it. I'm living for it. Can you tell it's creamy? All right, final step, just some setting spray. So that was my video. This is my final little look. What do you think? I really like all of the products that were in that IPSY bag. So thank you again, IPSY, for sponsoring this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed those products, and I hope you enjoyed this Get Ready With Me and spilling the tea. If you guys ever have any more questions, you can DM me anytime on Instagram, Twitter, anything like that. Follow me if you want. I hope you guys like my video, this video. Subscribe if you are new and you want to, and give it a thumbs up. You know the drill, you guys. I love you so much. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!